नरेंद्र मोदी से कभी भी हाथ नहीं मिलाएंगे।
गरीबी हटी नहीं हटी, रोजगार मिला नहीं मिला, पलायन रुका नहीं रुका। नीतीश जी यूज्ड टू से पैसा कहाँ से लाएगा, अपने बाप के पास से लाएगा पैसा।
माफ मैं नहीं करूँगा उनको।
मर जाएंगे, मिट जाएंगे, मिट्टी में मिल जाएंगे, भाजपा में नहीं जाएंगे।
एक पॉलिटिशियन नहीं।
नाउ ही हैज नो क्रेडिबिलिटी।
उनको एडवाइस हम यही देंगे, चलिए बहुत हो गया।
Good to see you looking well, because you have been through a very difficult time.
Yes, thank you.
But one question I have, 34 years you have suffered all kinds of accusations, cases, and you never joined the BJP. If you had just joined the BJP, all your cases you would have been a happy man. Half your problems would have been solved. Why didn't you switch sides?
बीजेपी के साथ मैंने सोच लिया कि कभी भी चाहे जो भी हो हमारे साथ हो रहा हो, जो भी सजाए हो, जो भी प्रताड़ना हमको मिले, कि बीजेपी से, पार्टी लाइक बीजेपी और नरेंद्र मोदी से कभी भी हाथ नहीं मिलाएंगे और नहीं मिलाया, और इनको ध्वस्त करेंगे हम लोग। पूरे बीमार रहते हुए भी हम महसूस करते हैं कि हम बीमार नहीं हैं और इनको पराजित करेंगे। और मेरा लड़का तेजस्वी यादव प्रत्येक दिन जितना मेहनत कर रहा है और 4-5 रैली अभी चुनाव के समय में धूप, इतने कड़कती धूप में कर रहा है, और हम लोग बिहार से अच्छा रिजल्ट हम लोग देंगे।
Like Modi say, why didn't you join? Why wouldn't you join, become ally with Modi? Why not?
ठीक पॉलिटिशियन नहीं, ये कमडाल आदमी है और इसके समय में देश टूटा है, देश टुकड़ा टुकड़ा होने के कगार पर है। इसलिए हम लोग, मैं बहुत सारे नेताओं के साथ, बड़े बड़े राष्ट्रीय नेताओं के साथ हम रहे हैं। प्रधानमंत्री बनाया है, 2 प्रधानमंत्री बनाया है हमने, और हमने इस तरह का आदमी नहीं देखा, इसलिए इस आदमी को बिल्कुल साथ नहीं देगा।
Can I just ask you, I have seen you campaigning. Fantastic response, really, and I'm not exaggerating, and I don't say this to everybody. I see good response, but your response, the crowd literally goes wild. Then it doesn't get converted into votes. Is that because the party, you don't have a party organization that's good enough to convert support into votes? Because it doesn't match the enthusiasm compared to the percentage vote.
Crowd, definitely it comes, even in this heat, during the season, because we always raise the right issues, the burning issues, what people want right now. Unemployment is the major issue. People want to talk about the issues, not about Modi ji. They want results from the government. And if you see the past 2 Vidhan Sabha elections, which had happened in Bihar, we have been the single largest party. So people used to frame that we are just MY party. But if you raise an issue like employment, whether whatever religion they are, voters, whatever caste they come from, in 2020, they have given me almost majority. And I believe कि थोड़ा बेमानी हो गया हमारे साथ 4-5 सीटों पे, because first time during the 2020 election commission has to come out and do a press conference almost 3 times, and they used to say that no, we are not doing cheating, we are being fair. And they used to also come and say that we will stop the counting, and they had stopped the counting from evening, and they started counting again from the 10 p.m. at night. So almost newspaper में अगले दिन देखे होंगे कि there were so many seats which was declared by the election commission, but the certificate was not given to our candidate which has won those seats. Ultimately, whatever election commission will decide, we have to take that. So if you see that we almost made it, like we have 115 and you need majority 122. So I believe that now people are coming out, and the crowd also turned out.
And you
As
have a
a vote.
party organization to convert support into.
No, we've been focusing because we didn't had any like the cattle like BJP or RSS.
Right.
But nowadays, if you have to fight against those forces, then we need to make our cadre, booth committees, and especially we need to see the social equations also.
So, 2 assembly elections you've done quite well. Yet, you've not been able to convert it into the Lok Sabha. We find this across the country that, say, Karnataka, the BJP does okay in local elections, national elections come, it shoots up. So, what do you think what are things looking like this time? Because last time it was pretty bad, I mean, you only had 1 seat, and that's a Kishanganj. Do you think your alliance is stronger this time?
We learned from our mistakes.
What
And
were they?
The mistakes, the way we should run the campaign, and the issues which we should be taking up during the Lok Sabha election. So we learned quite few things, and this time also today we released a manifesto also, and we had promised that we will give 1 crore employment to the youth. And especially also, selection of candidate is very important. Nowadays, you need to have the candidate who has their personal vote also, not just a party vote. So if you see the candidates, what we used to give earlier, and now there is drastic change. Earlier, we used to repeat the candidates again and again, and they used to fight since like 20 years, 25 years. Now, we have been giving to the new people. People want to see a change. We did a caste survey in Bihar during our government. Now we have all the records, so we are trying to give representations according to the strength they have.
लालू जी, आपको ये इलेक्शन कैसे लग रहा है कि जैसे आपने असेंबली इलेक्शन में काफी बढ़िया किया था, इसमें इस इलेक्शन में पिछली लोकसभा से ज्यादा बढ़िया होगा, और आप इस बार कैंपेन करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे?
असेंबली इलेक्शन में मैं नहीं था, और लेकिन पार्लियामेंट के चुनाव में मैं हूँ, और पार्लियामेंट के लोकसभा के चुनाव में देश की जनता, यूथ एंड फार्मर्स, ये सब फील कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग वी वर चीटेड बाय द प्रेजेंट गवर्नमेंट। और नीतीश कुमार जो असेंबली के चुनाव में थे, जीते, जिस बेईमानी से जो बताया, 4 सीट 5 सीट करके हर जगह बेईमानी की गई, तो हम लोग पूरा अलर्ट हैं और सावधान हैं। और मौजूदा जो चुनाव हो रहा है पार्लियामेंट का, इस चुनाव में मैं कंपेयर करूँगा।
लालू जी, आप नीतीश और आप राउंड, अपसाइड डाउन, इनसाइड, इत्थे उत्थे, all over. If Nitish Kumar walked in just now and sat here, what would you say to him?
मैं यहीं बैठा हूँ, सूता रहता था मैं। नीतीश कुमार एकाएक चले आते थे, यहाँ के जगाते थे, ऐसे पकड़ लेते थे। हम चर्च में महसूस करते थे कि भाई आखिर इनको क्या हो गया। नीतीश कुमार को जो मैं महसूस कर रहा हूँ कि अल्जाइमर का कोई बीमारी हो गया है, इस तरह से हाथ को छाती पर करते रहते हैं। आज ही एक मीटिंग में देखा हमने, नवादा के मीटिंग में बोले कि 4000 सीट हम लोग लाएंगे। फिर कहते हैं गलती हो गई, सॉरी 400।
But that was can happen to anybody. लेकिन वो यहाँ पे if he walked in just now, I'll bring Nitish. What will you say to him?
ये आ जाएंगे तो उनको अब तो माफ मैं नहीं करूँगा उनको। किस मुंह से वो आएंगे यहाँ पर? आ जाएंगे तो उनको तो माफ नहीं करेंगे और उनको धन्यवाद दे देंगे और घर पर आ गए हैं तो अपना जाएं।
कुछ याद दिला देंगे उनको?
हाँ, याद भी दिला देंगे बहुत सारी चीज़ें।
क्या करेगा? कौन सा याद?
बहुत सारी चीज़ का इलाज करा देंगे, उनको इलाज करा देंगे।
You worked with Nitish. What would you say if he walked in just now? Were you surprised at him switching?
We'll offer him a tea and I'll just say pranam, हाथ जोड़ करके.
You wouldn't join him? Or ask him to join you?
See, whatever it is, second time we made him in our alliance and made him a chief minister again. After knowing he dissed us in 2017, he apologized. And every time he used to say that I will never join BJP. As Laluji said, मर जाएंगे, मिट जाएंगे, मिट्टी में मिल जाएंगे, भाजपा में नहीं जाएंगे. So now he has no credibility. And taking him, it will be baggage for us and disappointing our voters also. So just to take him in our alliance again, if he'll come back, it will be a problem for us. So ideologically also he should be very clear now. What ideology and what perception he is making now. So right now things has been changed and समय के साथ लोगों को बदलाव भी लाना चाहिए. But नीतीश जी का जो नाम पहले था, you must have covered in the beginning when he became chief minister, and you have seen him now. पूरा decline हुआ है उनके image को लेकर के. Now people they don't take him seriously, and now people have been bored with him. ऊब गए हैं, मतलब अब now they don't want to see him in this post. So this is the reality, the ground reality right now. So now if he'll come, I will still respect him. I will welcome him to my house. But just as my relationship with my dad, because he worked with my dad and he says always that he's younger brother. So for me as an uncle, I will respect him and I'll welcome him. But as a party leader, no, will not join hands with him.
If you look at the last 2-3 elections, he's fought on both sides. And his and the BJP votes total around 45%. My question to you is slightly different. You have actually had a government job. How has that changed you as a politician, and what lessons has it taught you which make you a better politician and more likely to win an election? You were there for more than a year as Deputy Chief Minister.
I was there for 17 months.
Yeah.
And earlier also I was there for 18 months. So I worked with him. He doesn't like taking ideas from anyone. He has his own mindset. Technology he doesn't understand. If he'll see someone on phone, he'll shout at him. Why are you on phone? दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी. सब इसी में लगे रहते हैं. But what I believe that JDU has no future. The party. Either people from the JDU will join BJP or RJD. They don't have any future. And I believe we had given our performance, what we had committed in election, that I will give employment to 10 lakh people if I'll become a chief minister. And at that time, Nitish ji used to say, पैसा कहाँ से लाएगा? अपने बाप के पास से लाएगा पैसा? असंभव है. But when I became Deputy Chief Minister, that was the condition, that people will ask me, media will ask me, Now I'm in the government. What will I say? So you have seen that on 15th August, on Independence Day, he had announced that we will give 10 lakh sarkari naukri or 10 lakh rozgar. Whose idea was it? Who promised to the people? And within 17 months, we had given 5 lakh people government job. Narendra Modi ji also must have not given that much job. None other state governments. So it was not only about the jobs. We made IT policy, we made tourism policy, we got MOU from the investors, 15,000 crore rupees to the Bihar for the first time. We made the sports policy. So players also, whoever will get medal now Naukri pao. And the highest rank is DSP level. So we were trying to change. I was getting through new ideas. And I guess he must be not liking it. As he said when he walked out from the governor house after the resignation, that wo credit le raha tha. But all the time I was giving him respect. And he was the chief minister. I was giving him the credit. If you'll see all my speeches during giving the Niyukti Patra and all to the people. But I don't know. There are certain people, I guess, जो नीतीश जी को सिर्फ मुखौटा बना करके अपना काम पीछे से कर रहे हैं. They're using him. This is the reality, and I won't name them.
Name them.
Well, in Bihar, Bihari, they all know. They know. There are several leaders from the JDU who must have talked to Nitish ji and must have told him, but he's not ready to believe that. And they have been spoiling the party, and they have been playing with the image of Nitish Kumar ji. That's why it has gone decline.
In the last assembly election, you did very well in the southwest area of Bihar. Is that where you see yourself gaining or traction during this election? Is that an area that you would be focusing on?
We did very well in first phase, and second phase was 50-50, and third was really bad. Third was Kosi and Simachal area, and Magad we clean swept. And some of the north part, during the last election, some of the districts where we had shared tickets and we have given seats to our alliance. So some of the pockets we've been not fighting election for a longer period. That's why our cadre became very weak. And because in alliance you have to share your tickets to make an alliance, you have to give something. So that's why our party cadre a little bit in those areas, because that was mostly minority area, and minority area Congress really they want to fight from there. But still, this time also we did little experiment from there, and Champaran side Congress को जाता था, इधर Simachal Kosi में mostly Congress को जाता था. This time we made up a balance, and we are trying to make the vote banks also, and we've been working out also.
But isn't the Congress actually upset with you on the way the seats were distributed and has actually given ground here?
No, see, every party has their right. They want seats, and the best seats they want. So we have to make adjustment. It's nothing like that, but it is duty of ours to really see and divide the tickets on a winnability factor.
आप मोदी जी को क्या एडवाइस दे सकते हैं? यदि एडवाइस पूछते हैं लालू जी मुझे एडवाइस दीजिए, आप क्या देंगे एडवाइस?
उनको एडवाइस हम यही देंगे कि अब चलिए, बहुत हो गया,
बहुत झूठ बोल दिया.
बहुत झूठ बोल दिए. कितने लोगों को, माइनॉरिटीज को, जो लीडर्स हत्या कराए, अभी जो जहर दे करके हत्या की गई है माइनॉरिटी के लीडर अंसारी को, तो लोगों को सीधे नज़र आ रहा है कि किस तरह से धीरे धीरे लोगों को हत्या के द्वारा, जेल के द्वारा, ईडी के द्वारा, ईडी में बंद किया जा रहा है, मुकदमा में फंसाया जा रहा है, रोका जा रहा है। तो अब आप देश चलाने के लायक नहीं रह गए। कहीं से किसी भी कोना से आप नज़र नहीं आ रहे हैं कि आप देश को फर्दर आगे खींच के चलिए, इसलिए आप चलिए।
आपने तो बहुत प्राइम मिनिस्टर से,
बहुत प्राइम मिनिस्टरों को मैंने देखा, बनाया और चलाया भी।
रियलिस्टिक फोरकास्ट करना हो तो बिहार में आप सीन कैसा देख सकते हो, कैसा देखते हो?
हम बिहार में बहुत ब्राइट सीन देख रहे हैं। बिहार में
नंबर बताइए जी।
नंबर का मतलब कि हम मेजॉरिटी सीट हम यहाँ जीतेंगे, मेजॉरिटी। और लोग भी तैयार बैठे हैं। रैली जो हमने किया उसमें तेजस्वी जी का जो रैली हो रहा है, कैंपेन हो रहा है, तो लोग काफ़ी सियाने हैं, चतुर हैं और ये पहचान गए हैं भाजपा को और उसके डिजाइन को और उसके करतूत को। इसलिए अब वो समय इनको मिलने वाला नहीं है। बहुत ब्राइट है बिहार, झारखंड, बिहार, उत्तर प्रदेश, हम यहाँ काफ़ी मजबूत स्थिति में।
तो लालू जी, आपको नहीं लगता है कि ये राम मंदिर से बीजेपी को कुछ बेनिफिट मिलेगा?
नहीं,
उनको कुछ
राम रहीम को तो सब मानता, राम मंदिर तो इन्होंने तो नहीं बनवाया, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसला से बना, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के। ये तो मंदिर का कुछ नहीं चलेगा चुनाव के समय में। राम मंदिर और राम का प्रतिष्ठा कराए, अब ये राम का प्रतिष्ठा ही करा रहे हैं। अपने प्रतिष्ठा के लिए अपना राम का मन बता रहे हैं कि लोग इससे राम और रहीम को तो सभी लोग मानते हैं। अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ये अपना ढूंढते रहते हैं कि कौन सा उपाय करें कि हम कभी मांसाहारी, तब शाकाहारी, ये सब बात चलाते रहते हैं, कहीं से वोट इनको मिल जाए।
पिछले बार, and I'll ask you this also, Pulwama was a big thing. Will Ayodhya be as big as Pulwama? Half as big or not as big? How do you assess, compare Pulwama with Ayodhya for the voter?
नहीं, पुलवामा अलग चीज़ था। पुलवामा का मुकाबला या कंपेयर कैश मंदिर से नहीं हो सकता। देश के लोगों का पूरा सेंटिमेंट और हमारे सैनिक पुलवामा के समय में हुआ था और देश के सैनिक ही इसका बदला भी लिए। मोदी थोड़ी जाके लिए, देश के सैनिक हमारे जाके वहाँ प्रहार किए। और
As Pranay often says, there are some issues that are very important, but people can't distinguish between parties because now nobody has provided them. So what other issues are there that is moving the Bihari voter?
We have been focusing on the local issues and we are making people realize जब तक आपका गांव विकास नहीं करेगा तब तक देश तरक्की नहीं कर सकती, आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता। आपका गांव में क्या किया? Bihar has given 39 MPs to the NDA people. Narendra Modi ji is Prime Minister for 10 years. Bihar mein double engine is for 17 years. Their MP is winning for 15 years. They have their local MLAs. A to Z, the setup if you'll see, they have. I go and I ask people, गरीबी हटी नहीं हटी, महंगाई कम हुई या ज़्यादा हुई, रोजगार मिला नहीं मिला, पलायन रुका नहीं रुका. मोदी जी हैज़ प्रॉमिस्ड टू द फार्मर्स कि आय दुगुना करेंगे 22 में, सभी घर को पक्का बना देंगे. तो now people are realizing that. So we have to make them realize that these are the real issues. We are the leaders and it is our duty to make people. But BJP is being playing very smart. They will not talk on the real issues. They want to divert the issues. And nowadays media is also like that. They have been, we have, media was never been like this the time we are seeing right now. They are not fair. They should ask questions to the government, to the ministers, and they have been asking questions to the opposition. कुछ opposition का कुछ मिल जाए, they will frame it like पता नहीं क्या मिल गया. But the same, like what had happened in Assam, Maharashtra, Modi ji used to go during the election, he used to say कि 70,000 करोड़ का घोटाला किया, आदर्श स्कैम किया. असम के चीफ मिनिस्टर वो बना देते हैं उनको, यहाँ डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर बना देते हैं उनको. तो main, they've been playing very smart with the technologies. They have money, they have media, so they have more forces to manipulate people. So now, until we'll not get unite, until there will be no, until media should be playing a fair role, until the constitutional institution should be fair, because nowadays if we see media or constitutional institution, we see them like a BJP cell. Whatever BJP decides, they do that. वो खुश हो जाएंगे मोदी जी. So we are running through a tough time, and it is more responsibility to us to make people understand what are the real issues. You should vote Prime Minister's jobs to make hospitals, to give education, to give health, to generate employment. Not talking what they will eat, what they will wear. So this is the real thing. So everywhere Nana Modi ji wants to copy Putin. So we believe that if we will focus on the real local issues, because the mindset what the BJP is trying to say that Modi ji has a very good image outside the India. दुनिया में देश का बड़ा नाम हो गया. मोदी जी के आने के बाद देश का नक्शा बना है हैटलिस पे, पहले था ही नहीं, और बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है देश. तो देश कैसे बनता है? गांव से देश बनता है. देश की आत्मा गांव में बसती है, और आज सबसे ज़्यादा सफ़र गांव में रहने वाले लोग कर रहे हैं. तो we been trying to focus on it.
लालू जी, आप 1977 में जनता पार्टी, आज इंडिया में है, तो यहाँ कोई वेव चल रहा है जैसे जनता पार्टी के लिए चला था, कि ऐसे ही अलायंस है कि थोड़ी सीट यहाँ जीत जाएंगी, थोड़ी सीट वहाँ जीत जाएंगी, वैसे जैसा स्वीप हुआ था वो तो नहीं होने वाला है?
वे भी समझा जाए. अब इंडिया का वेव चल रहा है, भले अलग अलग नज़र आता हो, लेकिन सब एक है, और वेव है हमारा. और सन 77 में जो इशूज था, उससे खतरनाक इशू अभी है. इसलिए लोग लीडर माने या नहीं माने, लेकिन देश की जनता, वोटर, ये सभी समझ रहे हैं सारे बातों को. इसलिए हम लोग इसमें काफ़ी बाजी मारेंगे इस बार हम लोग, और इनको पराजित करेंगे.
जनता ये गवर्नमेंट से गुस्सा है?
काफ़ी गुस्सा में है जनता. देश की जनता काफ़ी गुस्सा में है और पछतावा में है कि हम लोगों ने झांसा में आकर के इस आदमी को बैठा दिया. रोजगार, महंगाई, बेकारी, कुछ नहीं मिटा, और उल्टे और हमारा देश बिखरने के कगार पर है, टूट चुका है, इसको जोड़ना है, इकट्ठा करना है, हम लोग करेंगे।
So, लालू जी, आप इंडिया में लीडर, इतना बड़ा लीडर फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स, आप बताइए आप तेजस्वी को क्या सिखाया? What have you told him? And you tell me what your dad has, what you've learned from your dad.
तेजस्वी को फ्री हैंड हमने दिया, फ्री हैंड, और कोई अंकुश नहीं लगाया, और इसके निर्णय को हमने कोई चैलेंज नहीं किया। जो निर्णय ये करते उसमें हम काफ़ी कोऑपरेट करते हैं, उसको कंट्राडिक्ट नहीं करते हैं, और तेजस्वी अच्छा कर रहे हैं, ये हमें इस बात का काफ़ी गुमान है कि अच्छा।
लेकिन छोटे लड़कों को यू हैव टू कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट, नहीं? नो कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन, नेवर,
कभी भी नहीं। मैंने तेजस्वी को मैं देख रहा हूँ कि अच्छा कर रहे हैं, बेटर कर रहे हैं, हर लोगों के साथ अच्छा इनका व्यवहार भी है।
See, we are the same age. The youngsters are better than us, right?
Yes.
What have you learnt from your dad?
Stick to your ideology. And this is what we're trying to do. He suffered a lot. Then why I can't suffer? I have also many cases. First I thought if I'll come into politics, I will never get any cases. And I've learned by my experience. And since childhood, I've been like socially and politically really aware. And the way people used to look up my dad like a leader, I was also looking him not more like father more, but more I was seeing him as a leader. And I learned many things from him.
Give us one thing, big thing.
Since childhood, what I have been seeing him, he's full passionate and dedicated towards the people. What time I never used to spend with him, and he used to give all the time to the poor people. Till now I've been seeing him, that people are the strength of Laluji, and all the time he's ill, he's not that well, but he'll sit outside and gates are open. Whoever wants to meet him, whether from where he's coming from, whoever, he's meeting everyone. And the best part, Laluji is not vindictive. Nowadays, if you see the politics, there's so much of hate. Atalji had a very good relationship with my dad. Advaniji also. That time was different. Now so much of hate they've been spreading. If someone will come in the morning who abuses Laluji, and he will sit in the evening and he will be laughing with him. He will be respecting him. So that was his charisma.
But one thing I noticed that when you're talking about your dad and all your early years, you get very emotional.
I do, because it's a big responsibility and big word Dad just said, that he never contradicted me. That's a big achievement for me, and he's telling me I'm taking another way, that he has given me a very big responsibility.
In his era, the politics was much more caste driven. How much is that still exist, or is it almost disappeared?
It changed many things. See, once that the time when social justice was needed, Kamandal was there, that era was different. Now this era is different. अब 90 का ज़माना 2024 है, बहुत लंबा टाइम हो गया है, तो ना issues are different, now lifestyle is different. पहले कम पैसों पे चुनाव होता था, आज महंगा हो गया है. आजकल तानाशाही चल रही है, ऑपोजिशन पार्टी के बैंक को सीज कर दिया जा रहा है, फ्रीज कर दिया जा रहा है, किसी को भी मुख्यमंत्री को उठा के जेल भेज दिया जा रहा है। तो अगर वो जो था टू गिव जस्टिस टू द पुअर पीपल, वो सम्मान दे, सबको एक साथ लाएं, कहीं भेदभाव ना हो। और आज का अगर एरा देखेंगे तो अब बस तानाशाही चल रही है, डिक्टेटरशिप वाला रूल आ गया है। तो वो ज़माना उतना बुरा उस ज़माने में जो लोग रहे होंगे बहुत लगता होगा, क्योंकि चीज़ें बदल रही थी। लेकिन अब तो किसी का मुंह ही नहीं खुल रहा, कोई लड़ने को तैयार नहीं हो रहा। पहले लोग लड़ते तो थे अपने राइट्स के लिए, आजकल सब लोगों का मुंह बंद है। आप बीजेपी के लोगों ने बिहार में ही बोला कि 400 सीट दे दो, प्रचंड बहुमत चाहिए। फॉर व्हाट? कि हमें संविधान बदलना है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो हमारा लिखा है उसको हम लोग बदलेंगे। ओपनली बोला जा रहा है। और उस ज़माने में अगर ऐसी बातें आती तो क्या माहौल होता? सो दैट्स द डिफरेंस।
Tell me, this election commission making these elections in little pockets of 4 seats, 6 seats, 5 seats, is that something that benefits a party like you that doesn't have a lot of cadre? Otherwise, people say it actually benefits the BJP because they can fly in their leaders, take them out. Does this help you or does it hurt you?
See, obviously it's challenging for us, especially for the regional party. BJP, they have resources and more opportunity Prime Minister will be getting to campaign in our state. And our state has been always been challenging for the BJP. Ruling after 10 years, running the government with the JDU, still BJP cannot fight alone. They don't have strength, they don't have guts to fight alone. That's why the phases are, in all the phases, we have election, all 7 phases. That also becomes a little more challenging because we don't have that much of resources. They have everything. You name it, they'll get it and they'll do it.
Last thing, thank you very, very much. You are looking well and better than for the last 5-7 years. So it's very good. One message you want to give, लोगों want to say something, one message.
लोगों को मेरा यही है कि भाजपा को हटाओ, देश को बचाओ। नीड ऑफ द आवर है, भाजपा हटाओ, देश बचाओ। बस, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।